Welcome to Filament PHP series, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to use many-to-many relationship with Filament PHP. In my previous video I already show you like belongs to relationship and has many relationships. So in this video we are going to cover many-to-many relationship. So let's get started. So let me go to my previous project, and if I go to the post and if I'm going to click on edit, there is a tags tab over here. There is a tags column, okay, and we can type the multiple tags. But right now what happened, we have taken the JSON column and that store into the directly database like Laravel 12. So Laravel 12 the tag can be in multiple posts, but right now we are storing as a string. So let me go and show you in my table plus. You can see over here is also Laravel 12, here is also Laravel 12. What if later you want to change it like Laravel space 12 or Laravel L capital or something like that, you want to change it, then it will be hard to change every place. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will implement many-to-many relationship over here, and we will create the separate tags table, and then we will create a pivot table that's called like a post underscore tag, and we will connect post and tags with the many-to-many relationship. So that means post has a multiple tags and tag has a multiple post connected. So let me go and change it first, okay? And how we can do it, that's very easy with Filament PHP. So let me go here to my VS Code editor and go to the migration, and we already have existing migration, that's post. So first of all, let me roll back this migration, okay? So we are going to change on the existing migration, okay? PHP artisan migrate rollback, okay? And first of all, they have rollback the product table. We also need to post table rollback, okay? So both table are rollback. Okay, now what I'm going to do, just remove these tags from here, save it and copy this, and I'm going to create new table called tags, okay? And let's remove this all and just keep one field that's called name. Again, I will copy this, okay? And then I'm going to just say like post underscore tag. There's new table, okay, and that will be connected with post and tags with has many relationships. So here I'm going to use foreign key, okay, foreign ID, and that will be first post underscore ID, and constraint, okay, I'm going to use, and cascade also I'm going to implement, okay, cascade on delete, okay, something like that. And let's remove this all. And same thing, we are going to define another column that's called tag underscore ID, okay? And at the end I'm going to define the primary key table, and primary key will be for post underscore ID and tag underscore ID. Save it, okay? So that means we have created two separate tables, tags and post underscore tags. Let me run the migration now. PHP artisan migrate, okay, and let me go to the table plus and hit refresh. Right now I don't have any table, okay? And if I go here tags, you can see that there is a separate tables, okay, and post, okay, and post tag. So that's fine, okay? Now let me go, and you can see here right now we have just post products users, but we don't have a tag resource, okay? Like tag has a insert update delete as well. So let me create quickly the tag resource. So PHP artisan mac filament resource, okay, with space tag, and hit enter. It is asking for the attribute name. I will keep the name default no, and soft delete we haven't implemented, okay? Now you can see, oh, if I go here and you can see that there is a tag. If I click over there, you can see the tag has not found. So that means we also need to create the tag model. So let me create quickly PHP artisan mac model and tag. Let me go back to the VS Code editor and model tags, and here I'm going to just define protected fillable, okay? Just I will put the name, okay? Just save, okay? And yeah, let's double check the spelling. Yeah, that's fine. And let me go here, and if I hit refresh, you can see that we have a tag insert update delete over here. If I click on that, right now we don't have any column over here. So let me go back to the VS Code editor and go to the filament, tags and schema. Here we are going to define one field that's called text input mac name. Just save it. Let me go back over here, hit refresh. We have a name, so I'm going to just add like Laravel 12. Okay, create, and I'm going to add, yeah, you can see that right now we haven't defined any column as well. So let me go here and quickly define the column for the table. So I will just call text column mac and define the name. Just save it. Let me go back over here, hit refresh. Laravel 12. Let me create another tag Laravel 11, and then let me create another as well so we can demo it properly. Laravel 10, and just click on create. Right now we have created multiple tags over here, and if I go to the post and if I click on create new post, right now we have a tags, but that's independent. Okay, and let me go back to the post model, and here you can see that we have added tags column, so we just remove that, and then also from the cascade, so just remove, save it. And here we are going to define the relationship as well, so just copy this function and paste it, and every post will be connected with tags. Okay, and that will be belongs to many. Okay, sorry, not new many. Okay, just many, and then that will be with the tag, and the second argument we need to pass the table name post underscore tag. Okay, save it, and let's copy this so we can make it vice versa. Okay, so go to the tag, and then here tags can connect with multiple post, and just like this post model. Okay, save it. So that means we have defined the relationship as well. Okay, now let me go back to the post and schema, and inside the form, if I go down, there is a tag input we have taken. Instead of that, I'm going to use select mac tags, and then I'm going to use a relationship method that we already used in our previous video. So here is the two arguments we need to give. First argument will be the name of the relationship tags, and then there is a second argument with the column. Just save it. Let me go back over here, hit refresh, and you can see that Laravel 10, 11, 12. So that's great. Okay, but what if you want to give the multiple selection? Then you can give like multiple. Okay, something like that. Save it with the function, yeah, and you can select the multiple Laravel 10, and you can select Laravel 12, whatever. Okay, so that means this is very simple way you can do it. Okay, and now let me create one post over here. Okay, Laravel 12 crude. Okay, and Laravel 12, something like that, and I'm going to just choose the category test, and let me upload the image as well. An image. Okay, I'm going to use published, and I'm going to choose the date and click on create. You can see that record is created. If I go here, and you can see, if I go here, you can see still that's selected, so that means that is working perfectly fine. Now I'm going to use another way to manage the tags, like you can create new tags from here, you can attach, detach, and all the things using tag manager. So let me go here and use the new command. So let me clear this, and PHP artisan mac filament, and I'm going to use relationship manager. Okay, and we are going to use in post resource, so just I'm going to use post resource and connection with the tags, and then column will be name. Hit enter, and by default we are going to choose all no, like default options we are going to choose, and you can see that they have created a new relationship manager that's called tags relation manager. Let me go here in our VS Code editor, and you can see that they have defined over here. Now let me go to the form, post resource, and here inside the get relations you need to just import it over here, tags relation manager colon class. Save it. Let me go back over here and hit refresh, and you can see that like this post has a connected to tags, and that tags are coming over here. You can create a new tag, you can attach, and you can detach. So let me clear it, like search I don't require, and also bulk bulk selection I don't require as well. So let me go and first of all that's remove, go to the tags relation, and for the table, and just I'm going to comment this bulk action, save it, and I don't require especially search, right? So just remove this from the table, remove, hit refresh. You can see that now it looks very minimal. Okay, and if you want to add some more columns, then you can add it. So for example, if you want to add the ID, then just you need to add ID like this way, save it. Let me go back, hit refresh. You can see that there is ID and with the name. Okay, and if you want to add a new Laravel, like Laravel 9, then you can add it from here. For example, Laravel 9. Okay, and click on create. That will automatically create a new record in the tags table, and that will be attached with this current post. Okay, so let me go, and you can see that there is a Laravel 9, and if I go post and click on edit, you will see that it's coming here and it's coming here. Okay, and let me go to my table plus, and if I hit refresh over here, you can see that how they have connected. And if I go to the tags table, you can see that they have just one time entry, like Laravel 9, Laravel 10. Then you can like manage like whenever you want to change the Laravel 10 version, you can change it. Okay, any string you want. Now let me go here, and they have also given the attach method. If you click on that, they will provide the list of that already available. You can see that if you choose Laravel, then Laravel 11 is not attached in this post, so you can attach as well from here. Just click on that, you can see that Laravel 11 attached. Same thing, if you want to detach, then you can detach as well. So you can see that, and hit refresh, you can see that just 11 and 12. So that means you don't have to do anything. And just let me go back to the post tags, and yeah, you can see that 1112. So that means it is working perfectly fine. By default, Filament also provide like attach and detach method. That way you can attach existing tags to the post. Okay, so this was the very simple and basic example of many-to-many relationship, and Filament provides the very easy way. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you in the next video, guys.